Hey y'all, welcome back to Performance Studio Holistic Health and Wellness. In this video, I'm showing you what I'm working with, and that would be the biomechanics of walking and working the 360 swings so that I create a functional everyday pattern to a overhead swing to a forward stepping action mobility. The goal here is to coordinate my body with the moving back and forth so that I can create this proprioceptive understanding how my shoulder can work with each step, mimicking some form of striking, sword fighting, if you will. That's why this is considered an ancient strength conditioning art for warrior-like style of training. This is amazing here. Also, single arm overhead to work that core as well, and even more coordination here. This feels actually pretty darn good here. You can also get a little physical therapy for spine health, tendon, joint, ligament, all in one. You're really working and engaging the skeletal muscles, the nervous system, the vascular system, and definitely working on coordination. So there's a lot going on with the Mace bell training, as you can see and observe. Here again, working on single arm, and I'm practicing. This is a training video, so I'm getting better at this. This is a 25-pound Mace bell, steel mace, what have you. And eventually I will get into the club bells to finish off my training, my biomechanics. And so here I'm working on how to step with a overhead throw. And I had to practice this with one hand because this side I was having difficulty. And then now I'm getting better coordinating my step with the overhead 360. And then eventually I will get into back into the double clubs, which is the ultimate way of training clubs, is with double clubs. You really truly work the forearms, shoulders, and here we go. I'm working on that overhead step, overhead, and see there I made a mistake, but I'm going to correct it, and that's why I practice and practice and practice until I get better at the biomechanics here. As you can see, I'm getting a little better. I'm going backwards now. I'm stepping in coordination. And thank you for your time. Please subscribe for more content and better education on my part to bring the best for you guys when it comes to steel clubs and Mace.